Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do a little mini SFF build. Again, guys, I hate SFF builds. Those large hands are not meant for tiny spaces, but we're gonna manage. I may not like it, but I think the end result is gonna be amazing. We are going to build on the E4 Kiang, and I saw that case on in the video and I fell in love with it. Originally, this build was supposed to go into the PC cooler. I think it's I100, but nah. We're gonna go with this, especially with the steam machine coming out and all this little mini PC. I've been with a mini PC for a long time, like a very tiny mini PC. I was thinking about either getting a Dell Optiplex or those Lenovo's, but they're so limited. And then I was also thinking about getting Minis form. I think MS01, some things of that nature. But guys, the price of those mini PCs, I'm gonna post a couple of them on screen. They're ridiculous, man. I've seen some of them for like $1,700. I'll say, oh no, I can build my own. So we're about to kill multiple birds with one stone here. Okay, so all mini PCs and the steam machine, I'm coming for you. All right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing and see what we got to play with. Probably the nicest packaging I've ever seen of a product. Wow, this is so neat. Wow. Jesus. That's the biggest Ziploc bag I've ever seen. Ooh. This thing's tiny. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Yeah, everything about this case is stunning. Oh, a little bit of plastic coming out here. Put that to the side. Oh yeah. All right, let me get the 1,000 phone and gigantic Ziploc bag out the way. By the way, this is an expensive case, and I think the packaging is about 10% of that price because that was a work of art. And I give credit where credit is due, man. That was absolutely awesome. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. We have our feet. And this is okay. Different screws here. Oh, these are extra screws for the case. So long screws. Okay. Some proprietary screws over here, but we'll find out where they go eventually. And of course you have a it's like bronze coated Allen key. It's probably for these very interesting screws here, so you guys see it. Make sure we don't lose those. Got a nice little mesh side panel here. That to the side. I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab my screwdriver. This is the easier for me. This is for the okay. We have our USB-C, front panel, USB-C, and our regular USB here. I'm gonna take out, well, actually, not quite.
So although the Be Quiet fans are the exact size, but they're a little too thick for the PSU to fit. So I'm going to end this video right here, guys, and stay tuned for part 2 because I need to order some new slim fans. All right, see you guys in the next one.